Hi everyone, my name is Jared Rhodes and welcome to my course, Cleaning and Preparing Data in Microsoft Azure. I'm a Microsoft MVP for the Azure platform at Kimata Technologies, a consulting and training firm based out of Atlanta, Georgia. In this course, we are going to examine data needs, languages, and common data formats with demos in Python and R. After that, we'll move into discussing large data sets and bad data. Then we will demo both with SQL. Then we're going to move on to discussing data aggregation strategies, Jupyter Notebooks, and then moving them into Azure Notebooks, where we will demo getting started with Azure Notebooks. Then we will discuss data labeling and encoding, and once we've covered all of that, we will discuss working with multiple data sets. By the end of this course, you'll know the concepts of data science in Microsoft Azure well enough to get started cleaning and preparing data. I hope you'll join me on this journey to getting started with machine learning and data science in Microsoft Azure with the Cleaning and Preparing Data in Microsoft Azure course at Pluralsight.